What are API mock servers?
API mock servers imitate real APIs by providing predefined responses to requests. This allows developers to simulate interactions with an API, even if the backend isn't ready or available. Mock servers are typically used during development and testing, making it possible to build and test features before the actual API is completed.
Why use mock servers?
Mock servers help development teams work in parallel. Front-end developers can build and test interfaces before the real API is complete, speeding up the project timeline. They are also useful for testing error responses, rare scenarios, or simulating rate limits, all without relying on a live environment or sensitive production data.
Common use cases for mock servers.
Mock servers are ideal when the actual API is unavailable or under development. They're also useful for automated testing, especially for handling edge cases or failures. Teams use them to verify that applications handle different API responses correctly, ensuring reliability before connecting to a real backend.
How to set up a mock server.
Setting up a mock server is straightforward using tools like Postman, Mockoon, or WireMock. Typically, you define sample endpoints and the responses they should return. Once set up, your app or test suite sends API requests to the mock server's address, receiving predictable replies for testing and development.
Best practices when using mock servers.
Regularly update your mock responses to match changes in the real API. Use mock servers for testing only, never for production. Clearly separate mock environments from live systems to avoid confusion. Finally, document the mock setup so your team knows what's being simulated and what's real.